Hey guys, it's Alyssa with WTI.
If you do a lot of camping or road trips, you are going to love this rooftop car carrier from ZOSTERA. I go car camping, so I really need access to all of the interior space in my car. And I love that I could get all of these things out of the back of my trunk and onto the top of my car. I have a 6 to 8 person tent, my camping table, and also my sleeping bag and blankets, yoga mat. This was a solo trip, so I did not fill this bag to capacity, but as you can see, it takes up almost the entirety of my roof. So there's plenty of room to pack for a full family. I don't have a roof rack on my car, so this carrier was perfect for me. It comes with these straps that go right on the frame of your car, and I was able to install it easily all by myself. And when you're done, they come off just as easily without leaving any damage behind. We had quite a few rainstorms while I had this attached to my car, and the material is great. It's really thick, but they still do recommend that you wrap your things in plastic if you are worried about them getting damaged. The zipper is really heavy duty. They have these flaps and Velcro, so everything is really secure. To me, the most stressful part about trips is packing, and with this rooftop carrier from ZOSTERA, I can now take whatever I want with me on my trip. So I highly recommend it.
And that's my point of view.